matulungan din natin sila makahanap ng legal na trabaho talaga.
Yun,
Yung
actually. Mga
naayos
legit.
sa tamang pamamaraan.
Legit, na hindi kailangan magbayad ng pauna.
Sila ang kikita sa inyo eh. Sila yung makikinabang sa
Oo.
trabaho ninyo dahil babayaran ng employer yan para sa service fee. So, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit kailangan sumilin pa o
At Karen, sana nga maging makatotohanan ka at panindigan mo yung sinasabi mo na hindi ka magtatago, hindi ka alis, at isasabihin mo lahat ng alam mo. So maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa tiwalang binigay mo kay Idol Rafi.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've got the power, power. All right, great thing, right? Those skills were on point. Right now, I've got the power, I've got the spare power. When you buy yourself a new Stihl BGA 60 handheld blower, great for fall cleanup, by the way, not only do you get one battery, you get a spare battery. That's over $150 value coming at you free with your purchase. We'll see you soon at Carl's Miller in Style.
Hello everyone, for our one-on-one special, we have with us today the one and only Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. Maraming salamat po Mayor at pumayag po kayo sa panayam na ito.
Thank you very much, Karen, for the invite at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
You are fresh from the protests. Nagpunta po kayo doon.
Well, alam mo kasi for the past many years since I became mayor, isa sa mga pinaglalaban ko kasi is kailangan magsalitaan pa ako, no? Because that's the only way we have to, really convey yung ating mga sentiment, no? At we have to simply do what is right. At itong nangyari kanina, natutuwa ako dahil for the past many years, as I've said, people were silent. Kaya nga ganito, nag-evolve at nag-escalate yung level and depth of corruption. This time, still Asia. And I learned a lot from Mr. Benyao. Now, when I became mayor, nakita ko ngayon yung why is it that public service is linked to politics? Kailangan baguhin ko yung pag-iisip ng mga tao. And the only way you can do that is they have to see you doing it. Hindi lang pwedeng this is not how to do it. There's no substitute to leadership by example. Kaya masarap isipin na yayaman ka pala. Nung nagkwekwenta ka kami, pwede pala akong kumita dito ng mga 300 to 400 million in just 3 years. Pero is it right?